Yeah, we didn't film that. Classic. Okay. We made a little piece that I showed you before.
The battle continues.
Yeah, that's it.
So I realised that this inner piece is we've got to grind some of that down for this to come down again. That's what's making it tip up.
So we're gonna grind a little bit more so that this one doesn't go this way. We're trying to go up.
Yeah.
All right, so we grind a little bit and put some washer to see how much gap we have. Since we put the washers, it looks pretty straight. Just, you know, this is it kind of kicks out, so it's not actually straight. So we kind of line up with here, there. I think we nailed it. What do you think?
We're very close now.
Yeah. So we gotta figure out this gap, what we're gonna do, and this inner bit. All right. So David grind this piece because this is like an overlap. This piece is definitely like more out. I don't know if we can see. Used to be a little bit more gap here, right there. Now, yeah, so we can push. So that way it just kind of, it's gonna line up this part. And what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna tack them. I think we were thinking using this piece, because initially we was gonna use we're gonna make a new piece to fit in the middle. But I think we can use that.
Yeah.
Same existing part, so we're gonna make sure to push and so that this is gonna line up, match up. And then yeah, so I think should be all right. The next one is this inner piece.
We've got this in much better position. We've got this in a really good spot. I'm pretty happy with this.
Yep.
So I think we can start working on this inner piece.
Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, what happened this one? Did we modify this one?
I have, yeah, trying to get it to fit.
Oh, okay.
I still didn't get it to fit, so.
How are we gonna put it in?
Well, we'll obviously need to take this off again.
Yeah. All right, let's take that off.
And we'll work our way through.
So basically, we fit this part in a bit and put all together, and looks like quite close.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna weld, because David modified last time, but we end up don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna weld through here, just patch, like fix it up. And while I'm doing that, David's gonna glue a hole on this underneath.
Yeah, get this ready.
Get ready for welding. So looks like David made a couple holes for welding. Looks good. So we cut off this bit because we don't need it anymore. So it's gonna be like that. And I might finish this off. So I'm just gonna weld through because yeah, otherwise we might forget and then should just keep doing other stuff.
That sounds better.
So yeah, we've closed the line, which is nice and strong now. So I guess tomorrow we're gonna do.
Keep going.
Yeah, keep going. All right. It's good morning, everyone. Next day, I forgot to film when I welded, but basically I finished this weld, and that I'm gonna finish up here too. But it's definitely getting there. And while I'm welding, David started making piece for this area. So yeah, hopefully we can move for quite a bit today.
Yeah.
We got more time. Anyway, so yeah, what are we looking for?
So now that you've done that, I just want to make sure everything's going to fit up.
Yep.
And if we need to grind anything, we will. And then yeah, we'll keep going. I'm just making sure everything's going to fit up now that you've done that welding.
Yep.
And we do need to grind that flush.
Yep.
And we'll weld all this up
Yep.
later. So I'm just going to grind that.
Grind it off, make sure it's fit. And then,
Stay.
yeah, I guess once it fits that part, we should focus on this first,
Correct.
isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, no worries. Let's do that. Watch your eye.
Yeah. That's it. Like that.
All right. So put the outer seal, and yeah, it's quite level too, which we're super happy. I think the new seal and old seal is just not same shape, unfortunately. Like it's quite identical, and you don't probably see the difference. But this is a lot sharp. I guess it's a sharper than this.
We'll tap it into,
Yeah, we'll tap in as close as we can.
like that was saying, that's full of body filler.
Yeah.
So it hasn't got the curve.
Curve.
So we'll grind all that out. Oh, that popped up again, didn't it? That's all right. I'm looking that way.
I could tap a little bit more.
One more. I could feel it bounce actually. I still think I've got to clean a bit of that out.
That's looking good. I forgot to turn the gas on. That's done. So now nice and strong. Alright, I'm gonna weld this one too. This side is done.
We've got to get it in position.
And
You
then,
can see it with the grind
yeah, grind that. And then while I'm holding here, this one, you can put the other piece.
there. Yeah. No, I'll grind that.
Yep. Alrighty. Cover the holes. Weld here, because they had the holes through the floor.
Still looking at it. Trim that down. And then, so we can probably,
What's that? Like the wire came out. Oh, the handbrake, yeah.
I think it's supposed to be in there.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we've got to do this plate now.
Yep.
I'm just thinking through this plate, and get that on, and then the sill.
Yep.
So we're very close.
Alright, so we made a little piece that I showed you before. So I welded it and ground it off. And yeah, so put the sills back. Looks good. So yeah, the only things that this bit is just too much angle. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut there and we're just gonna tap it to make it flat. Alright, we have a great progress here. So we made the part and we realized there's a cup square bit had the missing. So David made a little panel, welded it in. So now this is gonna be a real test. So we're gonna put sills like that. So these gaps, I'm just gonna weld it and should be able to, these connected to here. So yeah, see how it goes. But looking good.
Good.
But before we do that, we make primer here.
Yeah, we've got to get all this.
Yeah.
Yeah, good progress.
I think we done today.
Yeah,
I think it's a good,
good time just to.
so we're gonna check some primer before we forget. So make sure that it's not rusty anymore. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Ah, what a day. I think we had a great progress. Well done, David.
Well done, Amy.
All right,
work.
see you next time.
Used to be.
Wow, yeah, so that's